Hi guys, today I'll be showing how to check on spiral head blades for damage. So first we need to check, it looks like I got a damage, hit the nail before, so we're just gonna quickly check it. And for these people who doesn't know how to change it, first we need to make sure it's all unplugged. Then we got heat. Undo this one, undo this one, but don't do this one yet. Do the bottom one here. I don't know, you can be able to see it. Alright, it's just one here and one over there. Just undo that ones. So our tool is just sitting here. Okay, so I want to make sure I need a bit wide here. Where's my torch? Got my torch. That's much better. So we can just undo this one. It's a bit hard with the left hand, especially when you're right-handed. Right. Right. There's one screw down. Okay. Just undo this one. Alright, there's the screw. And we do this one. There's our third one. Remove the dust extraction cover. And we got here. This is just easy to move it. Right, just put it there on the side. Let's check that. So it looks like this one is fine, that one is fine. Ah, okay. That one is fine. It looks like a little bit damage, as you can see here. So what we need to do is just quickly just undo that one. Just be careful, don't cut yourself. Not all the way, you don't need to do that. Alright, and turn. Tie it up. Make sure it's nice and straight here. We use our tool. Make sure it's tied up. And that's pretty much it. Check the other ones. As you can see, they got one dot in a corner, so it's just when it's done, you just turn around and tie it up. That's pretty much it. It's much easier to fix the problem with these spiral heads. That's about it. Now we just put back in place. Just slide it in. Put a cover. As I said to you guys, the best to do. Put this middle one first. Then do the rest of them. Just put another two. And these two screws, and don't forget these two screws on the bottom. And that's it. It's all fixed. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.